how to fix Instagram swipe reply option. Hello guys, if you want to get the future of the swiping or the replying on your Instagram messages, this video must be helping you. So, or what you want to do to get this feature is go to the settings, open the apps, go to the apps manager, and now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So I'm sorry, let's go back. Okay, the apps. Now scroll, go to Instagram, click on it, click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and then go to the Play Store, search for Instagram and update it from here, and you can do the same thing on iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.